So we came from Afghanistan to the UK. My dad came first, and then our family essentially followed through him. He went from like a good job where he was like doing doctoring in Afghanistan to then coming here and washing dishes. I remember I was in my brother's house. He was like making food and stuff, and then I launched ads that night. I was like, okay, this has to work. And during the evening, I heard the cha-ching. Was probably one of the best moments ever. I was like, yes, this is fucking working. Our record day has been 50k in a single day.
Yeah, how much did you start with actually?
Probably spent around £500-600.
500 to 600 pounds you started with, and that turned out to 5 to 6 million.